Today we will be looking at The 7 Spiritual Laws of Success by Deepak Chopra, which was written in 1994. There is an easier way to get what you want from life involving attunement with nature and the universe. The best way to put the law of giving into operation is to make a decision that at any time you come into contact with anyone, you will give them something. It doesn't have to be in the form of material things. It could be a flower, a compliment, or a prayer. The gifts of caring, attention, affection, and appreciation, as well as love, are some of the most precious gifts you can give, and they don't cost you anything. The fourth spiritual law of success is the law of least effort. This law is based on the fact that nature's intelligence functions with effortless ease and abandoned carefreeness. This is the principle of least action, of no resistance. When we learn this lesson from nature, we easily fulfill our desires. With an effortless power and simplicity, the 7 spiritual laws of success is a supreme example of contemporary self-help writing. You could throw away all other self-help books and live by this one alone. Identifying immutable laws of success is the great challenge of the self-help literature. Karma, cause and effect, and dharma, purpose in life, have been with us for eons, and they form 2 of Chopra's 7 laws. Here we look briefly at his other 5. While ego is based in fear, the highest self exists in loving security. When the veil of the ego drops, knowledge is revealed, and great insights are normal. Chopra refers to Carlos Castaneda's remark that if you could stop trying to uphold your importance, we could start to see the grandeur of the universe. Once you know the field, you can always retreat to it and be independent of situations, feelings, people, and things. All affluence and creativity flow out of the field. The law of giving. Have you ever noticed that the more you give, the more you receive? Why does this seem infallible? Chopra says it happens because our minds and bodies are in constant state of giving and receiving with the universe. To create, to love, to grow keeps the flow going. Not to give stops the flow, and, like blood, it clots. The more we give, the more we are involved in the circulation of the universe's energy, and the more of it we'll receive back, in the form of love, material things, serendipitous experiences. Money makes the world go around, but only if it is given as much as it received. If you give joyfully, if you want to be blessed, silently bless people by sending them a bundle of positive thoughts. If you have no money, provide a service. We are never limited in what we can give, because the true nature of humankind is affluence and abundance. The law of least effort. Just as it is the nature of fish to swim and the sun to shine, it is human nature to turn our dreams into reality with ease. The Vedic principle of economy of effort says, do less and accomplish more. Chopra suggests that when our actions are motivated by love, not by the desires of the ego, we generate excess energy that can be used to create anything we want. In contrast, seeking power over others or trying to get their approval consumes a great deal of energy. We are trying to prove something, whereas if we are acting from the higher self, we simply make choices about how and where we will affect evolution and bring abundance. The law of intention and desire. This is the most complex law, and of course the most alluring. Chopra notes that while a tree is locked into a single purpose, to put down roots, grow, photosynthesize, the intelligence of the human nervous system allows us actually to shape the mind and the laws of nature, to bring about the achievement of a freely imagined desire. This occurs through the process of attention and intention. While attention on something will energize it and make it expand, intention triggers energy and information and organizes its own fulfillment.